And today Lizzie and I have for you a mini karaoke machine. That's right, this is a small portable microphone and speaker for those karaoke parties. You can record songs, you can sing songs, you can just play music if you want to, and you're gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. As you can see, it's quite colorful, it has RGB in it, but instead of sitting here and just talking about it all day, we're gonna go ahead and open this up, see what all's inside, and let you see what you're going to get. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so let's go ahead and do that. This is the box that it's going to come in. We're going to open it up and check this out. I thought this was a LED panel, but it's actually a screen.
Yay.
How cool is that? Check out this thing right here. This is the actual speaker. You can see we got a pink and gold one. It has a screen on the front. I don't know what all it does, but we're going to find out. You have your controls on top. And the back is where the little speaker is. Actually, you have a USB, you have a USB-C, you have your transfer card, and this is for a pair of headphones in case you don't want to broadcast the sound. And Lizzie has
a microphone.
The microphone. You get two microphones?
Yes. With this, you can come off and
check this out. You get two microphones. They're pink and gold as well, but you're also going to get the wind muff, also known as a pop filter, wind muff, wind dampener, dead cat, whatever you want to call it. You get two of them as well. This is going to help if you're outside and it's windy, or if when you're singing or talking and you have those hard P's and hard T's, it's going to soften that up a little bit. And then of course you're going to get a charge cord to charge everything up. So okay, so we have the speaker right here. Is the microphone on? Oh,
power on.
Check it out.
Bluetooth mode.
hello.
Oh, it works.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What?
Hello. Goodness. Welcome to WKR. All right, so one feature is you can actually change your color patterns. I'll just show you some of them real quick. Ooh, check that out.
Beautiful. Why is it not beautiful?
So cool, you get to pick your scene, pick your colors, whatever looks coolest to you for your song and your atmosphere. So you have a mode button in the middle, and that's so you can select between FM mode or Bluetooth mode. You also have on top right here, these two buttons are your volume up and volume down buttons, but they also skip tracks as well, forward and back.
The blue side.
Okay, what's this? Have you tried the buttons on here?
No.
Okay. We got sound effects. Yeah. What's 2 plus 2?
4. They laughing at me. Yeah.
No, another cheer, another cheer. Thank you very much. Okay, so on the actual microphone, you have a button where you can make them laugh or cheer. You hit it once, and they cheer. You hit it twice, and they laugh. 3 times, and they cheer. So it's cheer or laugh.
Here.
And now we have a button down here right below it. We're going to see what that does.
Profession.
Profession. Okay, so this is how you're actually going to change the different sounds from the microphone.
Hello. Girl.
Hello. Oh, hi. Hi, baby. How you doing? Let's try this
Girl to
one.
boy.
Hello. What the? What the heck is that laugh?
That's your laugh.
That's not my laugh.
So it turned you into a boy. Say, I'm a real boy.
I'm a real boy.
All right, let's hit it. I'll do the next one. See.
Girl voice.
Hello.
Are you from Tennessee? Because you're wearing 10, I see.
Pickup lines don't make it into review videos.
Aww.
Sound of monster.
Sound of monster. Do the monster voice.
Hello. Hello. My name is Monster.
All right, what's the next one?
KTV.
Hello. It's just the TV mode. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha!
Profession.
Profession. Back to profession.
Hello. Aw, it's back to profession.
Yep. So, very, very cool.
Ah!
Alright, so as you can see, it's quite a functional little karaoke set. Like I said, you can use transfer cards. You can sing with the FM radio if you want to. You can also, of course, hook into it with the USB or Bluetooth as well. You can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. You can just walk around and listen to your music if you like. You can use it at parties. You can use it at parades. You can just use it for fun every day. We hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.
Bye.